So what we're doing today is we're replacing the ABS sensor on a 2009 Dodge Grand Caravan. Pretty simple, really. Take off the wheel, the rotor, the caliper. I got it hanging by a wire over there. And then this little thing right here. Let's get it right there, we go. Takes a hex key. You unscrew it, pop the whole thing off, follow the wire back, and you take the wire off of all of its hangers and replace it with one that actually works and attach it to all the same hangers. This one, actually, you don't have to remove very much. Let's see if we can get you a good picture. Right there, that little red tab, that's right where it connects to. We pop that off, run with that wire. Oh, get focus, there we go. Run that wire all the way over to your brake. Take that off, put the new one in, same way you took it off. Alright, we got the nut off using our little hex key. Like I said earlier, or don't remember if it was caught on camera, so 3/16. Unscrew that. Put your hand in here. Grab it. Well, finish. Hand on tightening. Grab it. Boop. Set that to the side. And you can now pop that thing off. Should just wiggle right out if I remember correctly. Heads up, you might want to be a little bit more careful than I was. The stem snapped instead of coming out. If you end up breaking the stem like I did, one thing you can do is drill a very small hole in and then sink a screw into that hole, then pull it out with a pair of vice grips. It's still going to fight you, and I had to get some leverage and actually get it right here to use the vice grips to pop it out. So keep that in mind. This has been a nightmare. I'm having trouble getting that little thing to let loose without breaking the plastic.